Hey class, we're going to go ahead and start with area of the squares. Then we're going to do area of rectangles, area of parallelograms, and then area of trapezoids. And then we'll jump into triangles as well. We're going to start with area of squares. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to start off with example 1. Okay, example 1. Example 1, we're going to say find the area of the square. Okay. And then again, the important thing to remember about squares is that all sides are the same. Okay, so our first example, example 1, like we wrote up here. There's our square, and we're going to say the base of this bottom line down here, right, this bottom side length is 4 inches. Okay, 4 inches. Now, again, the important thing to remember about a square is that all the sides are the same. So that means if the base is 4, that means this side length, and this side length, all of them are also 4 inches. Okay, that's the important thing to remember about squares. And so we're going to use the formula that we have on our formula chart, right? Formula chart for area of a parallelogram and a rectangle. Okay, we use the same formula for a rectangle and parallelogram that we do for a square. Okay, remember this is a square. And so that formula is area equals base, which is the bottom line, bottom side length, right? Base times the height. Okay, and so how you write that on here is A, capital A, equals lowercase b times lowercase h. Okay, area equals base times height. Okay, and so area, we're looking for that, so we don't know it yet. Our base is this bottom one down here, right? The base is the bottom side length right there. We're going to say that that's 4 inches times the height, which remember, there are right angles. If you look right here, there's right angles on every vertices, every corner. There's 4 corners and 4 sides, that because this is a quadrilateral, right? Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. And since there's a right angle here, that's how we know. Again, it even makes a little H right here. Remember that little H, that number H? It looks like an H whenever you draw it. It looks like a little H right there, okay? But it's actually right here. It's smaller, right? And so we know that this is 4 inch. The base is 4 inch. That means the height also has to be 4 inch. Okay, so the base is 4 inch and the height is also 4 inch. So we're going to write that here, 4 inch. 4 inches. And so area equals 4 times 4, which is 16. Inch times inch, well, just like x times x was x squared. Inch times inch, we're going to get inches squared. Okay, inches squared. And so that's our first example. And remember, when we're finding the area, we're trying to find the inside of this square. Okay, so we're trying to find the inside of this square. And so we're going to do one more example really quick. So again, that's example number 1. You can pause it right there, look at it, write it down, make sure you got it. Let's go to the next one. Same directions. Find the area of the square, but this time our square this time, our base is going to be 4.5. Okay, 4.5, and we'll change the units to meters. Again, if we know that this is 4.5, then we know that this, and this are 4.5. So our base is 4.5. Not only is our base 4.5 meters, not inches, meters, also our height, right? Our height is also 4.5. So A, capital A, equals base times height. Area is equal to the base, which is this one down here, which is 4.5, times the height, which we know creates that H right there, is 4.5 as well. And so area is equal to 4.5 times 4.5. Let's do that right here real quick. Okay, 5 times 5, we get 25, carry my 2. 4 times 5, we get 20 plus 2, that's 22. 0 placeholder. 4 times 5, that's 0, carry my 2 again. 4 times 4, 16 plus 2, that's 18. Add these up, we get 5, 2, 10, carry my 1, plus that one, we get 2. How many decimal places do we have? 1, 2, 1, 2. So we end up with 20.25. So area is equal to 20.25. And we got meters times meters, which gets us meters squared. That's our answer. That's example 2. You can pause the video. Thank you for watching.